This is a Radiator re on a 2009 Thomas C2 conventional. You can see it's got the Cummins ISB. So it was leaking out the top corner, driver's side up here. Just it was a tank was leaking, so you can't do much about it. If you got a core leak, it can be repaired. We've got a shop that repairs the core if it's not, not close to the plastic tanks. And that's definitely a fraction of the cost if you can get away with it. But this is a aftermarket rad. We had to buy this one from the distributor, but a lot less than the dealer. There's a tag on the other side with the part number. Charger cooler, we definitely give it a pressure test before we put it back on. 20 psi. Soapy water, just lock both ends with a regulator on one end. Give it a quick test. And there's aftermarket on the Chargers too. Yeah, it pays to phone around. You save hundreds of dollars. Here's a tag. It's a VAB. See the Freightliner number. VAB number. This Valio, I believe, is manufacturer. But everybody has their contacts. You give them this number, and there's always a distributor that sells aftermarket radiators, and the price difference is huge, really. Like I'm talking sometimes $800. So even if you got to pay extra freight, it's definitely worth it. So we're on the finishing touches. And this job will be done in a couple hours. On to the next one.